The closest you'll get to owning a factory race bike. Knocking on the door of 200 brake horsepower. Yamaha R1M. Yamaha's bluish white metallic livery. Broken up by oodles of carbon fibre across your front mudguard, fairing panels, up to your solo seat cover, as well as your exhaust heat shield as well. Exhaust has been decatted and features an Akrapovic silencer which sounds completely evil, like a proper animal. Fitted with genuine Yamaha slide protection and engine case covers. Just helps protect your bike should the worst occur. Definitely better looking at it than for it. I mean, she looks fast just standing still, but she's got a sweet electronics package with her. Adjustable power modes, traction control, slide control, as well as a quick shifter. She's more than capable of being a fully dependable sports bike for the road. But make no mistake, she's a proper fire breather. No two ways about it.